I think one race we could change it, but we don't have to change it in between the days.
We got a fuel cell. If you put good VODs to the gob, this came in our car when we got it. We took some parts out of it.
Yep.
So it's already pre-cut for you.
But yeah, we'll donate it to your cause. Enjoy.
Hey, thanks so much. Nice to meet you. Thank you very much, Jay.
Yeah, man. I'm glad we could get, you know, in the hands of someone who's going to use it. And don't forget us in your prayers tonight. And actually, 3 race prayers. Red 46.
Red 46. You got it.
So we're going to do a quick driver change in about 5 minutes. Laser's going in, Cooper's coming out. No fuel, only driver change. So hopefully it'll only be a less than 5-minute change when we get back out there.
I don't know what do they do to you? What do they smack your hand?
You were the least fidgety you've ever been in your entire life during that driver change. Maybe it's the new laser we've all been waiting for. Don't cross the blend line and just watch your mirror so no one fucking jumps in and undercuts you and smashes into our little car. We were just changing drivers, try to run our fuel cell a little drier, save some time with the driver change pit stop, and driver only. So instead of it taking 10 minutes, it took us 3. So that's basically 3 laps we just saved right there. See if it adds up at the end.
Take it for a lap. Coming right out after the straightaway.
Eric's going out.
Maybe the tires are too hot, but at the very end, I just came over that straightaway. The tires were too hot. I mean, I was really pushing hard, W, and it just started wobbling like this coming over the straight. Let's leave fuel driving in and take a look.
I hate to have to change the spindle out right now.
I was 1 lap away from coming in right now, and as I was coming over the last hill, there's a cement wall on your right-hand side, and I was on the inside. As I went up over the uphill, the car gets light. The car got really light, and all of a sudden it started doing this, fishtailing like I've never felt before. I don't know if I hit a patch of oil. It felt like I had a flat tire, and I heard whoa, 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 like some crazy noise. And I automatically thought that a wheel had gotten flat, and I was gonna spin. I dove into pit row, parked the car. I got out expecting to see a flat tire. There was no flat tire. First shake of the front wheel, you could tell there was something going on. There was play in the front wheel, and that could cause the wheels to do some weird jittering. So, could be a ball joint, could be a wheel bearing, we're not sure, but we're gonna try to change it quick and get back out there.
So with one of the tie rods, the left side tie rod end was the capsule nut was loose. We tightened it. It seemed to solve the play issue that Mark felt. So David's in the car. He's going to give it a couple laps, and if it feels good, he's going to stay out for an hour. And then I'll jump in, I think, an hour before we're about to finish, and hopefully do the last hour. Locked up. up. It could have like.
Yeah, see, it could have seized.
Oh, I just saw the whole thing move.
Oh, yeah. All that side is fun.
Holy shit, look at that.
It felt like it felt like I had four-wheel steering. Like I turned around the corner, and the back of it turned with me. You know, it felt so unsafe. There's some things that always feel unsafe, like you get used to something feeling unsafe. This felt like dangerous.
Now we did a walkie-talkie, John.
Copy, copy.
We sent David out with what we thought was a fix, which was a loose tie rod end. We sent him out. He gets on the radio. 1 second into his stint, I'm coming in. There's something really wrong. I think I have a flat tire. He comes in. We jack the car up. As we're jacking the car up, the rear wheel goes doink. The whole outer bearing was completely destroyed on the wheel. There's two sets of bearings. There's an inner bearing, which is bigger, and then a smaller bearing on the outer part of the hub of the stub axle. That outer bearing was totally destroyed. Like Mark destroyed it.
That fucking wheel, that rear wheel bearing, man, that fucking sucks.
That's a finish, baby. That's a finish.
Three, two, one.
I was not smiling.
3, 2, 1.
Grab each other's nipples.
3, 2,
Cut the nipple
1.
down with the shirt.